I'ma die. I'ma die happy.
John and Care here in Amsterdam to kick off our Viking river cruise. We booked our own pre-cruise journey in Amsterdam, and after we had checked out of our hotel, we met up with the Viking bus that took us straight to the boat. We were quickly shown to our room. It was ready upon check-in, so that was a nice little treat. You can see here that the bathroom is a pretty decent size for a river cruise or a cruise in general. Plenty of space in the shower, there's shelves for your toiletry. You don't feel cramped at all inside of the bathroom, which is, of course, a welcome feeling. Also, I should note that the floors are heated, which is really cozy on a chilly morning. There's also plenty of closet space, as well as a safe. A look at this balcony. We cannot wait to sit out here and just watch castles and towns go by during our scenic cruising time. So you can see there's plenty of room in the actual stateroom. We got a veranda stateroom. You can see there are plenty of drawers. They replenish that water bottle daily, so there's plenty of drinking water. There's a full-length mirror, and there's also a daily Viking daily that tells you exactly what to expect that day. We grabbed a cappuccino from the coffee machine and then walked around the boat to take a look at the common areas, of which there are many. They're all beautifully decorated. Right now we're on the Aquavit terrace. This is also the main bar and lounge where all the entertainment happens, and everybody ends up coming down here after dinner or before dinner for their drinks and to socialize. This is also where the port talks take place every single night. Our first lunch on board was a Thai curry over rice. That's no. On the top deck, there's a walking track and some mini golf.
Wow.
In case you're wondering how we got to just enjoy the boat right away without worrying about unpacking, it's because we brought our Solgaard suitcases with us yet again. We were able to fit all of our bulky items and shoes, no problems, with one suitcase and one backpack each person. These came really handy, especially when they were talking about high water levels and the potential for a ship swap. We didn't have anything to worry about because we would just be able to compress those suitcases right back down and move to the next boat. If you do choose to purchase these suitcases, please watch our prior video for more information about them, and please use our discount code. Our discount code is Vincent Van Golden. Vincent is our dog, and we buy him treats every time somebody uses that discount code. We're in our room. We're waiting for the safety check, apparently. And there's life jackets under our bed. Somewhere. There's one. And there's the second one. Woo! As long as it clips. If it clips,
You live.
you live.
Yeah, no, it works out to our benefit quite a bit. And,
Do not miss out on the cappuccinos from this machine. They were absolutely heavenly. If you don't want a full breakfast, there are always pastries and treats in these baskets next to the cappuccino machines. John got the omelet and the bacon, and I got the eggs Benedict, also with bacon, as well as French toast.
I know somebody kids still in Moses James backside of the yes.
Can you give me another ice cream?
And they try everything known.
We usually love to sleep in, and they are very stringent about their breakfast stop and start time. So if you do want breakfast, I will say it was very well made, hot food, very delicious, but you do have to make sure you get there on time. And now on to some adventure. Check out these windmills in Kinderdijk. Our boat was parked directly across from the windmills. This is one of the benefits of river cruising. You get to pull in right into town, right at your destination. You don't have to worry about buses or being bussed into town and spending a lot of time on four wheels. You get to pull right up to the dock and walk right off to your site. Our tour guide met us right on the boat and escorted us off and onto this UNESCO World Heritage Site. There was a lot of history and learning before we got to the windmills. In our opinion, we would have loved to just get right to the windmills, but it was interesting to hear about the background. Here we are, finally going inside.
This fence is cool. Yeah.
You heard that lady say that it was an expensive tour. Ours was included, so you don't have to worry about any tour fees with the included excursions. Just watch your step once you get into the windmill. Every step you climb upward, you're going to have to climb downward. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Families used to live inside of these windmills, and you'll get to see their belongings and a little picture of their life as it used to be. Go downstairs backwards with the use of the handrails and by grabbing onto the steps when needed.
Okay, I am going to walk.
Getting to the bar and lounge after our excursion, we enjoyed a glass of wine. We listened to the daily port talk that tells you what you'll be doing the next day, as well as an intro to all of the cast and crew.
Because it is exquisite.
If you enjoyed days 1 and 2, please subscribe to our channel for days 3 and 4. That video is already teed up and we kick off with Christmas markets. We leave you now to enjoy Thanksgiving feast aboard the Viking ship run. That's right, we were on board for Thanksgiving dinner and the crew did not disappoint. The food was absolutely to die for. Okay. This is fash. This is hot. It's so chic right now.
This is all footage you're never gonna use.
But we'll giggle about it.
You're gonna look at it and you'll be like,
Look at us.
this is
Look at
ridiculous.
us.